Hi, I'm Erin Netting, and I'm the owner of Integrity Insurance Services. And I'm going to prove to you today why your current insurance policy is, quite frankly, well, awful. When it comes to insurance, there are typically 3 ways that you as a customer are currently being underserviced. Here, let me show you. Meet Joe. He's been with the same insurance company for 25 years. Every year, he gets a new stack of trees in his mailbox that I'm sure he reads thoroughly.
I can't read.
And because his agent is located close to his house, and conveniently he can drop in whenever, even though it's been at least 25 years since he set foot in the agency. Because they golf together, he just assumes it's taken care of. Newsflash, Joe, Milli Vanilli won a Grammy the last time you reviewed your insurance policy. Chances are you're paying way too much and don't have the right coverage in place. By not reviewing them, you are literally throwing money over the back wall of your house. If you haven't heard from your insurance agent since Microsoft Office was released, it's time. Don't be like Joe. Then there's the overinsured Olivia.
Yeah.
Guess what? Being overinsured is just the same as being underinsured. Either way, they're still both a giant waste of your money. See how this works is, you have a home that would cost $250,000 to replace in a total loss. But you want to be sure, and your agent says we should insure it for $1 million. Listen, Olivia, as much as your love for overspending on things like the Hatchimal, Circa Day, Christmas 2015, or the Star Wars hero droid that literally does nothing, I'm looking at you. You aren't getting $1 million for your home in the event you have a total loss if your home is only worth $250,000 to rebuild. It ain't happening. Your agent should be going through a replacement cost calculator with you to make sure that the home replacement and what you are insured for match. This is not an over-under game here. No guessies! There is such a thing as being overinsured, and well, refer back to Joe. If you haven't been reviewed recently, then there's a good chance you're also underinsured. Then there's my favorite, Renewal Rita. She's the one who actually pays attention to her insurance policy. She notices every year when she gets her insurance renewal from her semi-friendly, pretty much always home, sometimes starts their vehicle at just the wrong time of day, and always seems to be barbecuing at midnight, neighborhood insurance agent, that her insurance premiums have go up pretty much 10 to 12% every year. That's a lot of dough, Rita. And not like the good kind, like pizza or pie. Watch what happens when Rita calls her insurance agent to discuss her most recent premium increase on her auto insurance policy. Hi, thanks for calling your semi-friendly neighborhood insurance agent's office. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Rita, and I was just looking at my insurance renewal, and it went up again.
Again?
Yeah, again.
Okay, well, let's take a look at a couple things, because I think if we increased your deductible last time to $1,500, I think we probably should just increase your deductible for comprehensive coverage on your car to maybe $5,000. I think that should be doable. What do you think?
Yeah, I guess that sounds okay.
Okay, I'll make the change. Thanks, Rita. Bye. Don't do it, Rita. But wouldn't it be cool if you had an option as opposed to having to heighten your deductible to the cost of a small pony? Why do you have to change your insurance coverage to get a better insurance rate? Shouldn't your agent be able to stop working for the insurance company and start working for you? The answer is yes, Rita, yes. Have a company take a rate increase? No biggie. Let's move you. Now, let me let you in on a little secret. Sometimes it's actually not the best move to move your insurance policies right round like Florida. Sometimes it really is the best option to just simply stay where you're at. If there's anything I know about having over a decade of insurance experience, it's that if you are an insurance consumer and you do not have an independent insurance agent, you must pay attention to your insurance policies. Otherwise, you're probably wasting money and you're opening yourself up to a huge claim exposure. So the lesson here, don't be like Joe. Contact our agency to review your existing insurance policies and take back the way that you do insurance business.
Break 'em.